So, okay, where we left that uh, so from where we left that if we increase the multiple copies, then is what our reliability. That means that working good of the device increases. Clear till now? समझ में आया सबको कि रिलायबिलिटी डिजाइन का मेन फंडा और द मेन प्रॉब्लम क्या है?
Yes, sir.
सो कि हम लोग ये क्या है कि हम लोग अगर नंबर ऑफ डिवाइसेस इंक्रीज करते हैं, अगर हम लोग नंबर ऑफ डिवाइसेस इंक्रीज करते हैं तो हम लोग का क्या होगा, रिलायबिलिटी इंक्रीज होगा। एज ए प्रूफ हम लोग देखें कि अगर हम लोग उसका मैथमेटिकल सॉल्व से देखें, तब भी देखोगे कि मैथमेटिकल सॉल्व से जो हम किए, ये तो मैथमेटिकल सॉल्व है कि हम लोग क्या है मैथमेटिक्स में यूज किए कि ईच डिवाइसेस का 0.9 है, रिलायबिलिटी ईच डिवाइसेस का 0.9 हम मान के चले। अब 1 माइनस आर वन, ये 1 माइनस आर वन क्या है, ये 1 माइनस आर वन मेरा डिवाइस जो है वो ठीक से काम नहीं कर रहा है, वो फाइंड आउट करने के लिए हम लोग यूज करेंगे। और ये क्या है, ये मेरा डिवाइस ठीक से काम कर रहा है, आर वन इक्वल टू 0.9। सो दैट मीन्स रिलायबिलिटी ऑफ आवर entire that particular device is 0.9, and it is not working properly, what it will be, it will be 1 minus r1. So what is value of r1? 0.9. So 1 minus 0.9, it is 0.1. So that means it is for what, if we use one copy. So for one copy device the reliability is 0.9. That means what, working good, the probability of working good is 0.9, and the probability of not working good is 0.1. But if we use three devices, in case of three devices, so that means it will what, it is the probability of not working good, it is the probability of not working good, that is what, 1 minus r1 whole cube. So 0.1 whole cube, and it becomes 0.001. So that means probability of all three copies not working good is 0.001. ये क्या है, इससे लेस है। तो मतलब जितना हम डिवाइसेस इंक्रीज करते जाएंगे तब हम लोग का क्या है कि प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ नॉट वर्किंग गुड कम होते जाएगा और रिलायबिलिटी इंक्रीज होते जाएंगे। उस टाइम अगर हम लोग रिलायबिलिटी देखें तो उस टाइम अगर हम लोग रिलायबिलिटी देखें, देखो 1 माइनस आर वन होल क्यूब, सो द रिलायबिलिटी बिकम्स 0.999, in that time 0.900, in this time it is 0.999. So probability of all three copies working good. So now if we compare with figure 1 and figure 2, then we can see the probability has increased. So that means what, क्यों ये होता है, देखो अगर D1 जो है हम इसका मल्टीपल कॉपीज ले, तो अब जब हम एंटायर सिस्टम करेंगे तो एक कॉपी अगर मेरा खराब भी हो गया, ये कॉपी अगर खराब भी हो गया तो मेरा बैकअप में देखो दो कॉपी है। सेम एज दैट फॉर दिस रीजंस आल्सो, if it get disturbed, then there is also two copies present. So if we increase what, if we increase the number of devices, then our backup will be much more. So if one copy is get lost or one copy is destroyed, then in case of that we replace with another copy. This is the, that's why we say that if we increase the device, then the probability increases. But हम कितना इंक्रीज करते जाएंगे, ये तो ऐसे पॉसिबल नहीं है कि हम n नंबर ऑफ डिवाइस का कॉपी ले। तो मेरा एक्चुअल प्रॉब्लम क्या है कि नाउ द एक्चुअल प्रॉब्लम इज, if we have some amount of cost, we have some amount of cost in hand and have to set up a system buying devices and connecting them and connecting them. So that means what, कि हम लोगों के पास एक कॉस्ट है। अब मुझे उस कॉस्ट से क्या है, कोई सिस्टम को सेटअप करना है, उस कॉस्ट को यूज करके डिवाइस को खरीदना है और मुझे सिस्टम को रखना है। सो हाउ मेनी कॉपीज ऑफ ईच डिवाइस शुड बाय विद इन दैट कॉस्ट, we have to remind it that we have to make in mind that how many copies we will buy, how many copies we will buy inside this, how many copies we will buy using them and connecting them. So each devices should buy within that cost, कि हम लोगों का उस कॉस्ट के अंदर बाय करना है डिवाइस को। एंड ये भी ठीक रखना है कि हम लोगों का रिलायबिलिटी जो है वो रिलायबिलिटी मैक्सिमम हो। सो दिस इज द मेन प्रॉब्लम, दैट actual problem is if we have some amount of cost in hand and have to set up a system by buying the devices and connecting them. And also we have to in mind that we should use such a way that each device's cost should buy within the cost which is given, and also the reliability of the system is maximized. We get the reliability of the maximized. So this is the main problem. So we will see now how like this problem can be solved. So don't see this column now, okay? How it is done, I will explain. So now there is a device is given. So let's say the three devices is given, D1, D2, and D3. So this three devices is given. Sorry. And C1, R1, and V1. C1 is what? C1 is cost. R1 is what? Reliability. So cost and reliability is given. And UI is the upper bound. UI is the upper bound. Upper bound means how many devices we should buy, how many devices we can buy here. We will see that. And the total cost is given as 105. This is the total cost given. Now, at first, what we will do, we have take one copy of each device. We will take one copy of each device here. So that means this one copy, this will be one copies D2, and this will be one copies of D3. So we'll take each one copy here. So that means the total cost will become now what? So if we take one copies, so that means C1 plus C2 plus C3. So that means one copy, the cost is 30. Here the for D2, the one copy's cost is 15. And for D3, the one copy's cost is 20. So that means what? We will add that 30 plus 15 plus 20. So that means what? We will get the value 65. So if we take one copies, then what? Then our total cost will be 65. But now what is the remaining amount I have? The remaining amount is 105 minus 65, that is 40. So remaining amount is our 40. Now in this remaining amount, I have to see, I have to check that how many device with this remaining amount, how many device I should buy, how many device I should buy in this remaining amount, inside this remaining amount. So now first I will check for the first device. For first device, I will check. So already I have taken one copy of first device. Previously, I have taken one copies of our first device previously. So in next case, what is the remaining amount? The remaining amount is 40. And what is the cost of one copy? The cost of one copy is 30. So that means what? That means 1. The point fractions will not take, only will take the value. So that means there will be 1 copy. So that's why 1 plus 1, it is written as the 2. So this is the upper bound, that if we use here with this total amount, maximum device we of device 1 we can buy is the 2. Okay, same as that for D2. What it will be D2? Anyone? Can you say that how many copies? Didn't consider that. Didn't you know here it is written 3. But how it can be done? Can anyone say? Can anyone say?
Sir, 40 by 15.
Yes, 40 by 15. So that means what? 40 is the remaining amount and it is 15. So that means what? That means we can take 2 copies of that. We can take 2 copies, and already we have previously what? We
1.
have previously 1 copies we have taken. So that's why it is 3. Same as that for here also. It is 40 by 20. So that means what? This is will be 2 plus 1. Previously 1 copies. So that's why it will be 3. So that's why in the upper bound it is written 2, 3, 3. So that means what? Maximum device within this cost, using this cost, the maximum device 1, we will use maximum copies of device 1 we can able to use is 2. Maximum copies of D2 we can use is 3, and maximum copies of D3 we can use 3. So this is what? This is the upper bound. So that's how we can find that how much amount of we can use the copies here within a cost. This is the actual problem. We can use many if there is a problem. If there is no such constraint given, then we will increase the what? Increase the number of devices. So we know that if we increase the number of devices, what it will be? The reliability will be increased and not working good. Probability will be what? Less. It will be decreased. So that is the basically that we will increase the devices. That means what? If there will be the n number of devices, then what? We can get the maximum reliability if we use the n number. So this is how we can do that. But the actual problem is we have to some cost, and within this cost we have to adjust such a way, that we can buy some devices and get the maximum reliability. This is the main problem. So this is done by this way also. There is another way that is called the set method. Now, this is some complex. This is very much not, but this is a bit of complex method. So this complex method, how we can do? Now in this complex method, we will use R and C. We will make a order pair. This is like a order pair. So for this is called a set method. Okay, so set method also we can solve this problem. So through set method, how we can solve? This is not very much easy. It is like a complex, and there is much more calculations also. So let's discuss about it. So there will be what? There will be this order pair. So we have to create an order pair. In this order pair, what it will be? It will be R and C. Now R is what? R is the reliability. And the C is what? C is the cost. C is what? C is the cost. So we have to make like this each order pair. So now at first, what it will be? The cost is what? We are not didn't buy anything. So that's why the cost is, we used 0. And the reliability, let's say we are assuming that the reliability is 1. Okay. So at first time, the reliability is what? The reliability is 1 and the cost is 0, because at first time we didn't buy any devices. So that's why the cost is become 0 now. So what it will next time we will do now, consider D1. Now if we consider the D1, so let's say what is the, it is cost is 30 and reliability is 0.9. So its cost is what? It cost is 30 and reliability is what? 0.9. So if we use 1 copies of D1, if we use 1 copies of D1, that means what? That means we have to what? 1 copies means this is directly 30 and 0.9. And what we have to do? We have to multiply it with the previous set order pair, which we have get. So that means 0.9. Here you can see this 0.9 will be multiplied with this reliability. So 0.9 into 1, and the cost will be what? The cost will be added. So 0 plus 30. So the cost is added. So it is what? It is if we use 1 pair of D1. Okay. So if we use that, so we are getting the 1 pairs of D1. So because in the example we have seen the upper bound of D1 is what? The upper bound of D1 is 2. So if we use the first copy, then 0.9 into 1 plus 0 plus 30, comma 0 plus 30. So this is if we use the 1 copy. But what if we use the 2 copies? In 1 copy, we have seen the reliability is what? The reliability is our 0. What? 0.9. So not working properly, it will be what? It will be 0.1. It will be 0.1. So that means what? 1 minus 1 minus R1. Okay. This is what? This is also say that 1 minus, this is what? This will be say the reliability. This is the another form we can get the reliability. Now for 2 devices, it will be square. For 2 devices, it will be square. So 1 minus 0.1, 1 minus 0.1 whole square. So that means 1 minus 0.01. So it will be 0.99. So that means we get 0.99. So if we use the 2 copies, then the reliability we get it 0.99. And the cost will be what? For 1 copy, the cost is 30. For 2 copies, the cost will be 60. So that is what 0.99 and 60. Now this will be what? This will be multiplied with the previous order pair which we get if in the first case. So 0.99 into 1 plus comma 60 plus 0. So that means it will be same. So the total order pair of device 1 we get is 0.9 comma 30 and 0.99 comma 60. Clear till now? समझ में आया?
Yes, sir.
ठीक है? So it is what? It is if we use the 2 copies of D1 and after using the 2 copies, we get this total set values. Next, what we will do? In next, we will consider the D2. Now we will consider the second device. So for second device, how the values we will get? How the values we will get? So for second device, let's see, this is D2 is 15 and 0.8. So 15 and 0.8. So it is written as 0.8 reliability and cost is what? 15. So now this is for the D2. So that means if we use the 1 copies, then this 0.8 into 0.9, it will be 0.72 and this 15 will be added to this 30. So we'll get 45. So that means we have to check the previous कि हम लोगों का जो previous after कि करने के बाद जो previous मेरा order pair आया था उससे multiply करना होगा. उससे हम लोग क्या है उसको multiply करेंगे. तो previous order pair में क्या आया था? Final जो है final मेरा device 1 use करके ये अगर combine करें तो हम इसका ये order pair आया था मेरा. तो हम लोग अब क्या करेंगे कि D2 जो है D2 का 1 कॉपीज फर्स्ट कॉपीज जो है फर्स्ट कॉपीज को हम लोग अगर यूज करेंगे तो उसका ऑर्डर पेयर हम लोग कैसे निकालेंगे? उसका ऑर्डर पेयर निकालने के लिए मेरा जो D2 का कॉस्ट और रिलायबिलिटी दिया हुआ है, तो D2 का कॉस्ट और रिलायबिलिटी क्या दिया हुआ है? रिलायबिलिटी 0.8 एंड कॉस्ट इज 15. ये मेरा दिया हुआ था. तो हम लोग अगर सेकेंड डिवाइस का सेकेंड डिवाइस का फर्स्ट कॉपीज को निकाले, सेकेंड डिवाइस का फर्स्ट कॉपीज को निकाले तो ये क्या करना होगा? 0.8 ये ऑर्डर पेयर से उसका मल्टीप्लाई करना होगा. तो देन 0.8 into 0.9, so we get 0.72 and 15 plus 30 we get 45. Same as that for here also, it is 0.8 into 0.99. You will see that it will the value you will get it as 0.792 and this 15 plus 60 it the 50 plus 60 it will the value will be 75. So this is what this is if we use 1 copy of device 2, but we know we have to use here the 3 copies, so we have to check all the copies one by one. So in the next time we if we use the 2 copies, then what will be the reliability? We know the reliability is 1 minus R2. This will be the reliability. This will be our reliability here. So that means what? 1 minus R2 will be the what? R2 value, which is what? 0.8. So 1 minus 0.8 whole square. This will be, so what we will get? 0.2 whole square. So 0.2 whole square means it is what? 1 minus 0.04. So the reliability will be 0.96 and the cost will be what? The cost will be 30 because here at first time for first copy the cost is what? 15. So if we using 2 copies, so that means what? The cost will be 30. So this it will become 0.96 and 30. So now this we have to multiply with the previous order pair we have get. The previous order pair we have get during the first device after completing the first device copy. So 0.96 into 0.9, we will get 0.864 and 30 plus 30, it is 60. Same as that 0.96 into 0.99, the value will be 0.9504 and 60 plus 30, the value will be 90. Clear? तो थर्ड में क्या होगा? ये थर्ड कॉपीज अगर हम यूज करेंगे, एनीवन? बोल सकते हो कि थर्ड कॉपीज अगर यूज करेंगे तो क्या होगा? अभिजीत, अपेक्षा, रिया, एनीवन?
सर 0.992 आएगा
यस,
और कॉस्ट
ओ
हो जाएगा
0.992
45
और वो होगा 45 क्यों? 3 कॉपीज हम यूज कर रहे हैं उसका 45,
यस सर
इसीलिए। तो मतलब मेरा क्या हुआ अभी? 0.992 और 45, ये हुआ मेरा। बट इसको क्या करना है मुझे? इसको डिवाइस 1 का जो ऑर्डर पेयर था इससे मल्टीप्लाई करना है। डिवाइस 1 का जो लास्ट फाइनल ऑर्डर पेयर मुझे मिला था उससे मल्टीप्लाई करना होगा। तो उससे मल्टीप्लाई करने के बाद क्या है कि 0.9 इंटू 0.992 देखोगे तो उसका आएगा 0.8928 समथिंग, उसका आएगा 8928 समथिंग लाइक दैट। ओके, और 30 प्लस 45, ये 30 और 45 इसका वैल्यू क्या होगा? 75, इसका होगा 75। ये एक बना। देखो दूसरे वाला जब हम बनाने जाएंगे तो उस टाइम कॉस्ट कितना हो जा रहा है मेरा? अगर हम देखें तो कॉस्ट कितना हो जा रहा है? 45 प्लस 60, 45 प्लस 60 105, टोटल देखो कॉस्ट मेरा हो जा रहा है 105। तो ये तो पॉसिबल नहीं कि हम ऑल मनी इसमें यूज कर दे, तो ये पॉसिबल नहीं हो सकते हैं, ये पॉसिबल मेरा नहीं हो सकते हैं। तो मतलब इसका कैलकुलेशन मेरा करने का जरूरत ही नहीं है क्योंकि ये ऑर्डर पेयर हम यूज नहीं कर सकते हैं। ओके, तो हम लोगों का ओनली क्या है? ओनली ये ऑर्डर पेयर एक्सेप्टेड होगा। जो दूसरा ऑर्डर पेयर था उसका कॉस्ट 105 हो जाने से उसको हम यूज नहीं कर सकते, उसका यूज करने का कोई फायदा नहीं है उसमें। तो टोटल उसका कॉस्ट 105 हो जा रहा है इसीलिए। सो आफ्टर दैट हम लोगों का क्या है? हम लोगों का जितना ऑर्डर पेयर मेरा निकाले है सेकेंड डिवाइस का, if we use the first 1 copies of the device, then this order pair we get. If we use 2 copies of the device 2, then we get this order pair. And if we use, if you see, if we use a third device, then the cost we get is like this. So After that, we have to finally combine this. We have to finally combine all the order pairs. So we have to finally combine all the order pair here. So finally combining, you see, this is the order pair we get. Now, you see, this order pair I have not used. Why I have not used here this order pair? You can see this order pair will not be used, because if the reliability increases, here you see there is the what? There is an order that reliability increases, the cost is also have to increase. The reliability increase, the cost should also increase. But in case if you see this order pair, this is 0.72 and cost is 45. Next 0.792, the cost is 75. But in this, the cost is what? The cost is goes down. It is up to 60, and the reliability is increased 0.864. So that means what? This is the mismatch, because if the cost is increased, the reliability also increases. Like this, the order will be present. But here it is the mismatch. So that's why we have omit this. So now our the final order pair which we get, the final order pair which we'll get is 0.7245, 0.86460, 0.892, 75. This is the final order pair. This is the final order pair of if we use 3 copies of the second device. Okay. किसी का कोई दिक्कत है तो बोलो। तानिया, सियाराम, समझ में आया सबको?
यस सर।
अब नेक्स्ट जो है, ये तो हम सेकंड डिवाइस के लिए किए, ठीक है। तो उसके बाद नेक्स्ट डिवाइस के लिए हम क्या करेंगे? नेक्स्ट मेरा डिवाइस प्रेजेंट है D3।
हेलो सर।
नेक्स्ट मेरा डिवाइस, हाँ बोलो
सर डीसी का भी मैथ्स क्लास है।
अच्छा, ठीक है, तो हम नेक्स्ट दिन इस जगह से फिर हम उसका ये करेंगे। तो जो दुमका का है तो लोग तुम लीव कर सकते हो, हम नेक्स्ट डे फिर इस पोजीशन से हम स्टार्ट करेंगे, कोई इशू नहीं है। ओके, तो जो दुमका का है तुम लोग लीव कर सकते हो।
ओके सर।
So in case of what? In case of D3, in case of D3, the cost is what? The reliability is given 0.5. The reliability is given 0.5, and the cost is what? The cost is 20. So this is what? This is given in the problem. So that means what? The 0.5 and 20. So at when we will use the first, when we use the 1 copies, when we will use the 1 copy, then this 0.5 comma 20, we have to multiply with the previous final order which we get. So that means 0.5 into our 0.72, 0.72. If we multiply, we will get like that 0.36, and 20 plus 45, it is 65. Then 0.5 into 0.864. So it will be 0.43 something like that. And it will be what? 20 plus 60, the cost will be 80. Same as that 0.5, it is 0.8928 into we will get 0.464, and it is what? 20 plus 75, 95. Okay, so same as that, after it is the first copy, so for second copy what we have to do? We have to check the reliability. We have to first calculate the reliability of the 2 device, so it will be calculating for the 2 device, the reliability will be become what? 1 minus 1, then 0.5, it is 0.5 and whole square, sorry, it is 0.5. So that means what? That means the value will be 1 minus, it will be 0.25. So it will be 0.25. So that means the reliability we get using 2 device is 0.75. This is the reliability we get, and the cost will be what? The cost will be 20. The cost will be 20. So at using the 1 device, it is cost is 20. But if we use 2 device, the cost will become what? The cost will become 40. So that means what? That means 0.75. 0.75, we have to multiply with these values and with plus addition with this 40. So 0.75 into 0.72, the value will be 0.54 like this, and the value will be 85. Then 0.864 into 0.75, the value will get, it will be like 0.648, and 60 plus 40, it will be 100, and then 0.75 using 0.8928. But this pair we cannot able to take, because if we add this cost 75 plus 40, the cost will become 150. So we cannot able to take. So only 2 order pair we will able to take. So only what? Only 2 order pairs we will able to take here. That is 0.54, 85 and 0.648, 100. And this order pair, you see, we cannot able to take this. So in next class, there is some calculations left. First, I will explain that, and after that, we will start again a new topic. So, okay, in this meantime, you scan the QR code, everyone, and if anyone has any problem, then please ask me. सबका इतना तक क्लियर है सबका?
यस सर।
ठीक है, अगर किसी का कोई क्वेश्चन रहेगा तो बाद में पूछ सकते हो। तो फर्स्ट स्कैन कर लो इसको, और अगर लगे तो बाकी थोड़ा रह गया है इसका, तो हम उसको नेक्स्ट क्लास में इसका कैलकुलेशंस जो बाकी रह गए हैं उसको एक्सप्लेन कर देंगे नेक्स्ट क्लास में।